Hello everyone, this is Deba Mitra from Pension Computer Solutions Global Pvt. Hope you guys are doing well. So as earlier videos you have seen, there are loads of people who have joined PCS Global and day by day the number is increasing. So in today's session, today I came up with a new resource of PCS Global. His name is Ajit Kumar Singh. So Ajit has just joined PCS Global and he has been over here for 2 weeks. So how he has started working with PCS Global, from where you get to know about PCS Global. Today we are going to discuss about all those things with Ajit. At first, I will talk about Ajit's academical qualification. So hi Ajit, this is Devamitra.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello. So can you tell me about your academical qualification and can you tell us about yourself as well?
Yeah, ma'am, sure. So, ma'am, this is Ajit Kumar Singh. I basically belong from Bihar. I've done my engineering from Bangalore itself, and that too in computer science branch.
Mm-hmm.
And ma'am, also, when it comes to my 10th and 12th, I've done my 10th and 12th from Army Public School, that is in Allahabad.
Mm-hmm.
That's all.
Okay. So in which year you have passed out? This year,
Ma'am, I passed out in 2022, last year.
2022. So from 2020 to 2022, have you worked in any company or have you done anything in between, any
No, ma'am.
training or?
Mhm. Actually, I got an offer from Wipro itself, but
Okay.
they delayed the onboarding, so I rejected the offer now, and I'm currently pursuing this EILP program with PCS Global.
Okay. Why they delayed the joining onboarding?
Ma'am, we have seen that recession is going on, so every company is laying off mass number of employees.
Mm-hmm.
So that's the reason.
So how many days you have waited for the offer?
Sorry, ma'am.
How many days you have waited for the offer that you got
I
from
almost,
Wipro to join the
I
company?
almost waited for like approx 10 months, ma'am. I got my offer in 2022, early 2022, like in first quarter only.
Mm-hmm.
Till November, December, I waited, but I didn't get any joining letter. I had offer letter, but I didn't get joining. So
Okay.
I
So you
thought
don't
of
even
going.
got any call from their side that you are going to join.
I also mailed them, but I didn't get any responses. It was a like computer generated response, but it was not a generic response,
Okay. Okay.
and they were not providing any fixed date for joining. Yeah,
Okay.
ma'am. So I thought of going for other companies. I applied for other companies, but seeing the situation, I didn't get any reply from other companies also. So I thought of going for a placement training, and then I got a PCS Global through Naukri portal.
Mm-hmm.
So
So
that made me.
have you applied itself yourself in this process, or you got any mail from PCS Global?
No, ma'am. Actually, I applied through Naukri.com,
Mm-hmm.
and after that, I got mail from PCS Global regarding all the interview process
Okay.
and further.
Okay. So this EILP process, that is the placement training, what you have said, you have used the right term. Okay. So can you tell me the is that process will be helpful? What do you think? Because you have already spent 2 weeks with PCS Global. So have you got all the documents which we have committed to provide you, like official letter, our joining letter, and all related documents, joining related documents? Have you got that?
Yes, ma'am. I got all the documents. If I have to mention, it's like ID card and all offer letter printout, that official offer letter. So I got all the documents required.
Mm-hmm.
And ma'am, seeing the situation today itself, like the recession part is going on. So every company is like minimizing the resources, human resources, the employees.
Mm-hmm.
So they are minimizing. So now if they are recruiting, the requirements are so high. Like they are asking for the qualities of a trained professional, like experienced one, but they are paying for a fresher salary. So it's very tough right now. So I thought of going for a placement training because it will enhance my like my qualities and my knowledge about the profession. So
Yes. The
that's why I joined.
fact is what the companies are doing, what you have already experienced in your life, that Wipro has gave you the opportunity, you got the offer letter from their side, but they have not onboarded yet because there is they have that capability and they have that requirement for the resource, but they just want the trained resource, or they wanted to give the first
Yeah.
opportunity
Yeah.
to the trained resource. That's why they do, after having 10 months, 10 months is a long time span. They don't even,
Yes.
approximately 1 year. So they don't even call you. So what is the process of joining any MNC? That is, at first you need to take one placement training, and you can get this training. The company like PCS Global, we are providing the training only because of this reason, because you can work with us. There are several projects in our company also. You can work, you can go for MNCs also. Even we also send for the partner companies. So
Yes, ma'am.
PCS Global is the platform that we are giving to the fresher candidates to start through this. So, Ajit, we have already experienced these things, that being a fresher candidate, there is no company who is going to intake any fresher candidate. This process is entirely wrong, because without having the training, how one candidate can perform? If everyone will look for the trained candidate, from where they will get the training? So some company need to train them, and
Yes.
institutions are, what they are doing, they are only providing the training. There is no job assurance. And after having the training and after getting the certificate also, there is no way to join a company by showing that certificate that I have already completed the training, because they are not going to take you as per the experience of working, getting the training in any institute. Because always they ask for the practical knowledge, right?
Right.
So, Ajit, are you getting the practical knowledge in PCS Global? In these 2 weeks, have you got classes?
Yes, ma'am. It's been 2 weeks, and I'm regularly attending the classes.
Oh,
And because I chose data science, so I'm learning Python, as well as I'm also learning SQL, which is for database.
mm-hmm.
So I'm getting much knowledge about industry related
All those
work.
technologies. Okay, great. So, is this training the quality training? What do you think about our tech mentors' process of giving the training?
Yes, ma'am. I totally understand whatever is taught in the class.
Mm-hmm.
So it is in very layman language. So it is very much understandable. So I really enjoy and learn new things. So for me, it's very good.
Okay. So, Ajit, do you think other people can take this training, or it can help them to grow also, like you?
Yes, ma'am. Like me, like I didn't have any like experience or
Mm-hmm.
very vast knowledge. I had basic knowledge of computer science, like data structure and all.
Mm-hmm.
So for me, like my perspective, like I'm getting very much knowledge, and from a fresher point of view, which I had a very decent knowledge. So I'm getting all the things, and other people, if they join PCS Global, they would also be able to learn new things, and it's industry ready, basically.
Yes, what we are doing, we are providing you the training that will be the applicable in industry. So industry-based training we are providing. So can you tell me the name of the tech mentors who is providing you the classes? Do you know the name of them?
Yes, ma'am. Actually, the name is very confusing, so I'm not
Uh,
able to recall right now.
It's only 2 weeks. It will take some time. You will get to know. No
Yes,
issue.
ma'am.
Okay. So have you joined any Saturday town hall process of us?
No, right now I didn't join it.
You didn't join yet. Okay, you will join it very soon, because when you will assign for any project, then you need to do the project and you need to process. You need to show that how much progress you have done in that process. So every
Mm,
Saturday, the Saturday town hall is we are conducting the Saturday town hall, and in that time,
mm,
uh, every candidate need to join that and need to showcase their progress in that project. So
yes,
Adit, being right now, you are already the resource of PCS Global, because you have already joined in PCS Global and you have started working with us. What do you want to say to the candidates like you who are seated in their home and right now they are not taking an initiative and waiting for the opportunity? That opportunity will come to the doorstep of them, but it's not going to happen. in reality.
Hmm.
So what will be your advice for them?
Hmm. Ma'am, I'll straight away put in this manner that don't sit idle and wait for opportunity to come. It won't. Like I tried this.
Hmm,
Like approximately 4 to 5 months, I applied so many companies, like more than 100 companies,
hmm,
but I didn't get any mail and any other response like that because I didn't have any major project to showcase them. Maybe there's a resume thing, so I don't have. So I can't fake this and write in my resume that I built this, I built that, because in interview it will be asked. So it's better to first go for a training
hmm,
and build your resume and
hmm.
then apply for jobs and then eventually you'll get it.
Very true. So, your candidate who is right now sitting ideally in your home and you are thinking that the opportunity will come to you, it's not going to happen. As per my opinion, as per Ajit's opinion, you need to take the first initiative to start your career from PCS Global, from anywhere. We are not saying that you need to join PCS Global. If you got this opportunity from any other company, you can go for that also, but don't sit ideally in your home, because this is the high time to start your career. If you have any career gap after having your academic qualification, if you spend the time ideally, then it will be counted as career gap in your resume and it will make a very bad impact. So as soon as possible, start working, start training, uh, some placement skill sets, and upskill yourself. That is very much important. So if you wanted to join to PCS Global, you can connect with us, and our internship program EILP is already going on. And what Ajit has said, that is the placement training program. It is very cool to say. So I am also saying that. So you can join in this program and you can build your career as well. So, Ajit, thank you for your valuable time, and I will connect with you any other time. You have just joined Business Global and start learning new things, build your career, and have a great career ahead. So, best of
Sure,
luck
ma'am. Thank
from
you so
my
much.
side. Okay, so
Thank you so much.
bye for now.